Alright, the MOFT float. My first ever product review that I've ever done. Paid it myself, by the way. And ever since, well, I've been reviewing a lot of other products. Thanks this guy right here. Thanks to MOFT. So MOFT have sent me an accessory that you're supposed to use with the MOFT float, which I'm pretty excited to review. So let's get right into this. So when I made the comparison of the MOFT float with the Magic keyboard, the Magic keyboard had, well, a keyboard, whereas this one didn't come with it. Well, guess what? MOFT also provides an option for you to get a keyboard to come with the MOFT float. So that's basically an option for you to get like a tri-folding keyboard, which MOFT sells in their store. And that is what they've sent me today to review with this guy. So yeah, let's get right into this. So the box is very simple. It's a white box that says MOFT on it, and I'll get some tape. So you get a nice little pouch that has the keyboard in it. We'll get that later. It's got some information manuals. All right, and that's about. Oh nope. It comes with a micro USB cable. All right. Kind of wish it came with a Type C cable, because a lot of things nowadays are Type C, except Apple's iPhone for some reason. So you open this. Huh. Okay. So there you go. That's the it's a bit flimsy on the sides. Oh, I'm assuming that it's flexible for a reason. Well, you know what? We'll set this aside and check out the manuals. Comes with a Bluetooth 5.1, so it can be compatible with multiple devices. That's great. It's got a multi-point touchpad on it. Cool. A magnetic power on and off design, where you unfold it and it switches on, and when you fold it back it switches off. Nice. Rechargeable lithium battery. It's got energy saving sleep mode. Okay. Oh, it's got some function keys, so based on what you're connected to. So for example, for iOS, if you hit a certain key, you go to the home page and all that. All right. And for Android, Windows, and Mac OS. Very cool. All right, we'll try this later. Let's unlock this first. Okay, when you open it, and it turns on. Oh. All right, let's connect this. So, okay. All right, so this is the layout for the keyboard. Very nice. All right, how do I long press? All right, let me try to connect this. All right, you long press on. Okay, the way you connect this to your iPad or any device, you long press on this, goes into pairing mode, and then you go to Bluetooth and you connect it. Easy peasy. I mean, it's very compact. It's very slim, pretty slim. And it comes with a trackpad over here that is fairly responsive. I mean, look at that. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's pretty smooth. What does right click does? You can right click? What? Oh, it's got the gestures as well. So you do this and it goes into the, wow. This is pretty much all the features that comes with the Magic keyboard. So all right, so you can just do this. So use 3 fingers to gesture, and then you swipe up to so you swipe with 3 fingers to go to home. How do I go to the next page? Oh, ooh, that was a bit sluggish. Swipe 2 fingers. Alright, that wasn't very smooth. Okay. For some reason, does better compared to the gesture. For some reason, the gesture is a bit sluggish. Ooh, that's a bit of a problem. Look at that. Like, it goes a bit too far. Like, it's not registering the motion, but for some reason, okay, for example, if you are in the App Store, alright, and you swipe to home, okay, that's smooth. But for some reason, swiping to different pages is not. Let's say you're in an app, so you press function and F1, you go to home, so you can go to home that way. You press function F2, you go to search. Hello, subscribe to not Vader. I mean, it's not your Cherry MX blue switches keys, but it's nice to type with. So you can switch the trackpad on and off if you want, and you can use a separate mouse. You don't need to use the trackpad. That's an option. So you press FN and 11, it locks the iPad. Wow, that's actually pretty cool. Turn it on. All right. Okay, I've never used a keyboard on an iPad before, so this is pretty cool. All right. If you press FN and F12, it screenshots. Okay. Oh, you can adjust the volume? You can. And the brightness as well, apparently. Okay. You can adjust the volume and the brightness through the keyboard. How cool is that? What is this? Can I play music? No. Oh. Damn. Okay. And then you can switch tracks using this. Very nice. Alright, we can't do that because that's all copyright music. So if you press F1, you can go up and down immediately. Alright. Okay, you can go back and forward through the page. This is very nice. Alright, it says that you can use multiple devices on this. So curious. Alright, as you can see, I'm recording my audio using my laptop. So yeah. Alright, I think I just set it up. So apparently, so right now, my first button, as you can see from the indication of the LED, I'm connected to the iPad. So yeah, it's connected to the iPad. Hello, backspace, and all that. Alright, very nice. So if I want to switch to this guy, all I gotta do is just press the 2 and oh shit. Alright, this is cool. This is very cool. Look at that. I'm connected instantaneously. Okay, the power of Bluetooth 5.1. I wonder if screenshot works on this. Nope, I think it's oh, turned on something else. So I'm assuming based on the manual, different keys, you got different shortcuts. FN home. Oh. Okay, this opens up Google Chrome. FN search opens the search bar. What else? Oh, can I adjust the volume keys on this? Yep, you can adjust the brightness on this as well as the volume. Yep. Wow, okay. Yes, it is tiny, but it does the job. It really does. I mean, you could be doing your work on this and then a click of a button, you're here. Look at that. GarageBand. Why not? You can do it. Press home, F1, F2. I haven't set anything on F3 because I don't have a third device. If you want to, you can. Maybe you want to connect to your phone for some reason. So this was the MOFT trifold keyboard that can connect to up to 3 devices at the same time. So if you're a guy who's into Windows, iOS, and Mac OS, well, this guy would do amazing. And you know, once you're done using it, all you gotta do is just, you don't need to turn it off. There's no off button, so it uses magnets to turn off. So all you gotta do is just do this and that, and voila, you turned off. And you're good to go. You can keep it if you want, or you can leave it outside, anything you want. And when you're good to go, you just turn it back on. And alright, and I'm connected. Yep, that quick. Switch to this, and wow, I'm just amazed by the speed of the connection. So yeah, that was the MOFT trifold keyboard. If you want to get one for yourself, I'll leave a link to the description. I really like this. All right, so yeah, that's all I can say for, so that's all I gotta say about the MOFT trifold keyboard Bluetooth. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.